A very good morning to everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Kalersi Surasiman. So today topic was I want to discuss about what is listening and what is the problem we facing on the listening. Okay, probably listening is an important role in communicating in basic human life. So according to the research, communicating is separated into five or four things. It's about listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So, listening it takes up to 45 to 50 percentage, and then speaking 25 to 30 percentage, and then reading 11 to 16 percentage, and writing about 9 percentage. Also, play a biggest role in our human life because of it can make help us to avoid communication error, learn something new in our life, and also key for our success. Type of listening can separate into 4 points. That was active listening, selective listening, empathic listening, and ignoring listening. What is active listening? Probably active listening is can understanding all the things going around you. From that point, it can make you give a proper interaction and proper feedback. It is called as what is active listening.
Next, I need to present about prejudice problem in listening. The prejudice means a common problem that occurs in listening is that of prejudice. The second point is preconceived opinion that is not based on reason or actual experience. Next, I need to present about the law of closure of problem listening. The law of closure of problem listening is when we are involved in oral communication, it is impossible for us to receive all, all of the information required so as sender. The next one is we have a tendency to make certain assumptions about what is being said based on the content, the other participant. Next, the law of field of problem listening. In order to listen effectively, we need to be able to focus on the person we are communicating with and concentrate on what they are saying, and any distractions such as the movement of people in the same area ringing telephone are things that may prevent us from effectively completing this task.
Hi everyone, I'm Shruti Chandran. Today I'm going to explain my point, which is selective listening and presupposition. What is selective listening? Selective listening is a type of listening that allows you to hear what you want to hear. It encourages mental filtering and helps tune out the information we don't want to entertain. In the reality, it's not possible to hear everything every time. However, not paying attention to important details may lead to miscommunications. We tend to hear for what we want to hear instead of what is actually said and filter out anything which does not fit into our plan of the communication or our own ideas. And the next point is presupposition listening. A presupposition is an assumption about that sentence that both the speaker and the listener must accept or agree with in order for it to take sense. Some people have a tendency to extrapolate or to go beyond what they hear, while others tend to remain constrained by the actual data that they have obtained during the conversation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harini Srinanbragan and my metric card number is 221333484. And I'm here to talk about or discuss about listening skill among students at universities or UNIMAP. My point is time problem. Time problem. Firstly, to listen effectively, we need to be able to dedicate time to the task, and also any conversation where one or both parties are worried about the time available is born to suffer from listening problems. And there are some solutions for listening skill. For time problem, there are different ways to solve the listening problems of English or among the students. Firstly, we can improve the listening problems by listening tutorial on YouTube's and on any social media. And another one, uh, we can also improve by watching English movies and listening English news. Conclusion for listening skill is the result of the presentation shows the problem faced by students in learning and listening were internal problems. For example, the syllabus is different and boring. And number two, the students have low ability and motivation. And then the external problems were the facilities of university do not complete, and also the listening depends on good pronunciation, so it is necessary that we should have good grip of pronunciation. We can or improve listening skills by televisions, CD players, YouTubes, and etc. And the last but not least point, the main technique to improve listening skill is listen, listen, and listen. Thank you.